About ProDentim. Brand new probiotics. Specially designed for the health of your teeth and gums. Try ProDentim, a unique blend of 3.5 billion probiotic strains and nutrients backed by clinical research. May 2022, new scientific discovery. A recent study put out in the Springer Nature publication found that people who have good teeth have a high population of good bacteria in the mouth. Hint: no toothpaste or mouthwash involved. As it turns out, many common dental products, such as toothpaste and mouthwash, contain toxic ingredients that can destroy the microbiome in the mouth. This explains why teeth can thrive for hundreds of years outside the mouth, in fossils, while in our mouth they get ruined by something so simple as chocolate. Inside every ProDentim you'll find 3.5 billions of probiotics, along with 3 unique ingredients that are clinically proven to support the health of your teeth and gums. Watch the images and read carefully. Proprietary blend of 4 plants and minerals. Inulin supports the good bacteria. Malic acid in strawberries helps maintain tooth whiteness. Tricalcium phosphate supports tooth health. Peppermint is a natural anti-inflammatory. Natural formula. Easy to use. Non-GMO. No stimulants. Non-habit forming. Gluten-free. How and why does ProDentim work? Well, the way this works is pretty simple actually. We've always been told that bad bacteria are to blame for all dental diseases, but, upon a closer look, scientists have realized that imbalance in the oral health is caused by the lack of good bacteria. The population of good bacteria can be harmed by common dental products that might contain toxic ingredients. This explains why teeth can thrive for thousands of years outside of the mouth, while in our mouth they get ruined by plain chocolate. In order to support the health of your teeth and gums, you need to repopulate your mouth with good bacteria and provide a healthy environment for the strains to grow in. ProDentim is a doctor-formulated mix that gathers 5 scientifically proven, potent strains, combining a total of 3.5 billion good bacteria into one revolutionary dissolvable candy. This probiotic candy also targets your respiratory system, supporting your body to stay free from allergies, while also promoting restful sleep and good digestion. Are there any side effects? ProDentim has been designed for all ages and medical conditions. All of the ingredients inside of ProDentim have been generally considered to be safe, and are constantly tested for purity and to ensure against toxins and contaminants. Moreover, ProDentim is manufactured in an FDA-approved facility, under sterile, strict and precise standards. As always, if you currently have a medical condition or you're taking other prescription medication, we advise you to show a bottle of ProDentim to your doctor before you take it, just to put your mind at ease. No more. And buy this product. Go to description.